YouTube, what's up guys? Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Going to get a surprise today. So, we've been thinking about using the OEM GTS wheels. I've looked on this and haven't seen too much research, but I know that the Scion FRS, the FRS wheels, will fit on a Toyota Celica GTS or GT. Why GTS? Because they're 5x100. It's the same bolt pattern. So we're actually gonna go pick up a pair. I found a good pair for a good affordable rate. Let's go jump in the Evo. We're gonna take the Evo today and we're gonna get some wheels. I'm really excited. So I'll do a wheel reveal later, but let's go ahead and jump into Evo and let's go pick these up. I'm really excited. This is gonna be pretty unique. Evo, baby. So first things first, we gotta go get some cash. So we're on our way, we're in the Evo. Man, I love driving the Evo. I haven't done any Evo videos in so long. If you guys don't know, I got a Evo 10 in Rally Red with full bolt-ons. Love this car. It's one of my favorite cars. I daily drive this car. But we're gonna use the Evo today to go pick up some of those wheels. So I'm really excited to reveal those. I'll show you what they look like, so we'll pick them up. But first and foremost, let's go grab some cash to pay this guy. Alright, I feel like I never show this thing. That's why I wanted to put the clips of this thing in. This thing's awesome. What a sick daily driver. Look at this. The only issue I have with the Evo, gas mileage. But it's really good. I love the all-wheel drive. I love the 5-speed manual on it. I love the look of it. It's so beefy. It actually feels really safe. It's one of the safer cars probably the safest car that I do own. But we did go get the money, so we're gonna go give the guy the wheels. We're waiting for him. I think we're like 10 minutes early. But I'm really excited. So I'm really excited to pick them up, throw them in the Evo. I think they should all fit. So the wheels on the FRS, I can't wait to kind of go over them and show you guys. I think they have a little bit of curb rash, which is okay. But they are 17 inches and you can run 215s. So I was gonna do Toyos on the Celica's OEM wheels at 205s. So they're a little bit wider, better traction, and they're a little bit larger for more aesthetics. So 215, I'm gonna run 45s, and then I'm gonna do 17s. So 215, 45, 17s, and then I'll do Toyos, HP, the horsepower ones, Extensas or something like that. I think that'll be a really good tire for it, and I think it'll make the Celica quicker. I don't know the OEM weight of those wheels, but I'm pretty sure since they're larger, they'll be slightly heavier than the OEM GTS wheels. But for aesthetic wise, being 17 inches, they're gonna look better, and I'm excited. They come, I'll show you a picture when we'll go get them right now, but they come with silver and black. I'm still gonna sand them down and paint them all black myself. I just have to cancel my order for the tires that I got for the Celica. If anyone wants my OEM GTS wheels, I'll put them on MITCHDORE.COMHOW and you can go and grab them. But that being said, I think I just got a text message from him. Let's go ahead and meet this guy to get these wheels. I'm excited. Man, it's sunny. So he's pulling up here, so we should see him in a second. I'm excited. I think he has the FRS. I think he'll have in the back of that. I don't know if you can fit those wheels in there. The sound of my people. What's up, man? That's awesome. All right, dude, Victor and Roosevelt, thanks guys. Those guys are so nice. Check this out, look at that. Oof, even got the wheel covers on there. Oh my gosh, she's gonna look awesome. This is one of a little bit of curb rash. Let's do it. All right, we're back at the garage. It's actually a day or two later, I think 2 days later. But I wanted to finish up this video because we got these new wheels. So look, these are not Inkai's. These are actually, as you guys saw, FRS wheels. I mentioned that earlier. These are awesome. But what I have back here is a scale because I want to weigh and see how much the OEM one weighs versus the FRS one. So these are what the FRS wheels look like. Pretty awesome, pretty stoked. I will paint these black. I'm going to paint them black, but for a little bit, I think I'm going to rock them on the car like this. I think they look really cool, especially with the black and then the silver. I think that'll look really good on the Tsunami, but it'll be way better than the chrome that's on the car. But I will eventually paint these completely black, but gloss black too. Okay, so we have a scale here. Let's see if it turns on. There's a scale. It's gonna turn on, and then here is the FRS wheel. We'll do this one first. So let me do it. I'm gonna hook you guys up and I'll show you what the weight is. All right, so this is the first one up. So let's grab an FRS wheel. And we'll set it right there. All right, no hands. 20.8 pounds. You guys see that? 20.8 pounds is what we had it. So let's do that, 20.8. Do that, we'll set that one down. Let me go ahead and grab the GTS wheel. Okay, now we have the OEM GTS wheel. And we're gonna set that in there. Do no hands, 19 pounds. So nearly 2 pounds less per wheel. So that would be 8 pounds of savings right there. So 8 pounds of savings. You might go, that's not worth it. So what do you get with that? You get one, more aesthetics. I think they look better, to be honest. You'll see they look really good. I think they look better than the OEM GTS wheels. 2, they're wider. So they're wider. The GTS, I believe, is 7.5 inches. And these are 8 inches, so they're wider, which that means you get more traction, which is something I wanted. They're also 17 inches, so they're bigger. They look better. I think it fills a wheel gap. But that's the reason why I did them. They're not too affordable. I mean, you can get aftermarket wheels for similar price. These ones I got to get a pretty deal on. But if you guys want my OEM GTS wheels, they're going to be on MITCHDORE.COMHOW. So if you guys want to have them, they actually fit on GTs. So a lot of people get rid of their OEM GT wheels and get the GTS. So if you want that, I'll do $300 for a local pickup, and I'll meet you somewhere in Washington State. And then if you guys want to buy them offline, I'll ship them to you for $500. So I'll figure a way how to do that on my website. But I'm really excited about these wheels. I'm going to be running Toyos again. So I actually canceled the order for my GTS tires, which are going to be Toyos. And now I'm going to do Toyos again, and they're going to be HP Extensa 2. And so those are the ones I'll be running. I ordered them. They should be here probably in a week. Everything's really slow due to COVID, but I'll mount the tires and then I'll take away those chrome ones, which everyone's been hating. But I'm really excited I got another set of wheels. So here's the new wheel reveal. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. I'll be back on the channel with more small mods on the GTS before we get the new wheels installed, but I'm really excited. I'll see you guys on the next video. Hope you enjoyed this. Again, hit the like button. I'll see you then.